I want to talk to you now about invoicing issues, credit notes and repeating invoices. But before I do that, just to remind you, this little icon here, which is your files. This is your kind of your filing system. This email here, you'll have an email when you look into your own Xero program. This is your unique email address. So this email address here is unique to the happy practice. If you have invoices, either or bills you've received or invoices that you have received, say from the extra statement from NHS England, if you forward the email with the attachments to this address, it will appear in here. So you can actually use your Xero program as a paperless accounting system. No more box files. So let me show you how that works. Here's one we prepared earlier. This is the email address that is in the Xero program. There are a number of invoices in here. And if I just send this on, we refresh this. All those invoices now appear in here. PDF is probably the best format to use. So if we look at the best pharmacy invoice, this was the invoice that is now sitting here. And from here, we can actually post this directly into the program. We post it as a bill. And we're going to say, we've got a picture of it here. It's the best pharmacy. And we want to put this date in as the 1st of January, which is the date of the invoice. The due date, if it's 7 days later, we just put +7. You'll see it comes up there. You'll see drugs, wine, £1,500. Drug purchases, £100, £1,500, and we can approve. That's now in here. Now, suppose that's not quite right. Supposing we returned £300 and then we paid the difference. So if we go and have a look at our bank receipts, we can see with what we've got here. So we want to find the bank payment to Best Pharmacy, and as I thought, we paid £1,100. That is for Best Pharmacy. So in other words, there was a £400 credit note. If I go and actually check my inbox here, here is the credit note. So how do we get that credit note into our system? Credit notes, you will remember, you can include from the purchases. I'll just bring this up. Purchases, new credit note, and we could fill in here, this is from pharmacy and £400 and approve, but that won't actually allocate the invoice or the credit note against that invoice. It will just show it as a floating credit note that we then need to do more work to. So that isn't the way to do it. The way to do it is to find the invoice that we've received the credit note from, and in bill options we can add a credit note. So we'll do that here. And we can say it's from Best Pharmacy. We know that. The date, it was January the 5th, I think it was. And it was for £400. £400. And we can approve that here. Just looking at that, if I want to, I can then attach the invoice from here. Attach from the file library. So we could do that now. Oops, we can do that. Don't forget, this is a good point, that the program will default to the total amount outstanding. If we just, you don't need to put in £400, just take out everything from there and approve. It'll let you do it. And now if I go to the, well, now you can see we've got the original invoice and the credit note, £1,100 due, which was the same amount we saw going through the bank.